COVID-19 cases continued to rise again today, but Governor Phil Murphy is pointing to some optimistic new data. He says the big steps the state has taken are working. Eyewitness News reporter Cleve Bryan is in Washington Township with what we learned today. Hi, Cleve.
Well, unfortunately, in New Jersey now, the COVID-19 deaths have surpassed 1,000 people. But the governor is optimistic about the direction that the spread of the virus is heading. This is shore officials worry about visitors. To encourage New Jerseyans to wear face masks, Governor Phil Murphy wore one of his own Monday afternoon. While joking about the fashion, the overall situation remains dire in New Jersey, with the total cases of COVID-19 surpassing 41,000 and the death toll now at 1,003. Yet new data suggests the pace of new cases is leveling off and the curve of transmission is flattening out.
This should be all the incentive we need to keep doing exactly what we're doing, because this is not a game. It is in every sense, and we've seen it already too starkly, a matter of life and death.
While there are wide ranges of potential outcomes, current models show the number of COVID cases topping out between 90 and 500,000, with a peak occurring between April 19th and May 11th. More importantly, hospital projections are below surge capacity.
If we keep our current practices, we could get through the peak with the hospital beds that we are preparing.
But one area of the state with grave concerns about resources is the shore. This weekend, the state gave shore towns and counties the authority to cut off short-term rentals at hotels, motels, and second homes, which could have a chilling effect on businesses and people who depend on renting out their second homes to pay their mortgages.
Please don't book anything until further notice. Basically, please don't come down until further notice. That's what we're saying. Protect yourself and protect your family. Thereby, you're going to protect us.
Now, with their new authority, some shore towns are already planning to vote on resolutions this week to prohibit second home rentals through April into May. Reporting live, Cleve Bryan, CBS 3 Eyewitness News.
All right, Cleve, thank you.